Hey everyone, Dave from Retired with Purpose. So I just picked this item up and I want to show you about it. I picked it up at a local Goodwill that was running a half price sale. Take a look at this clip. So on occasion, our local Goodwill has these half price sales on colorful tags. There's resellers in here everywhere. And here's an HP 201X toner cartridge, all sealed up, brand new, and it is $5.99. I can't believe these guys missed this. I can pick this up for $3. It's definitely a winner. But I'm going to show you how this is also a BOLO. And stay tuned. We'll go through that. I'm going to list this item on this video. And I'm also going to share some exciting new information that's coming. So, hey, just stay tuned. Okay, so let's look at why these HP toner cartridges are BOLOs. Toner is not like ink. If you're out there and you're looking and you find um, ink for inkjet printers and so on, you have to be really careful. It gets outdated and sometimes it won't work with people's machines, but toner's not that way. Toner lasts and you don't usually see date codes and things on it. Sometimes you can, but toner lasts and people will buy it. So what I've done here, I'm going to jump down here on the computer and show you. I'm just going to type in right here HP toner cartridge genuine. And the reason we want to do that is because there's a lot of um, companies that make compatible cartridges, but we want genuine. And now, if you look here, you'll see a lot of sets. And you're not likely to find a set. You might, and I have found a couple of them, but typically it's single cartridges. So if I slide down here to the bottom, keep going all the way to the bottom, and you'll see right here sold items. And that's what we're going to do is we're going to click sold items. Okay, now when we're on sold items, again, you're going to see sets, a set, 2-pack. Look at this, almost $300. Now let's go up here to the top and go here on this section and click, and let's sort from the highest to the lowest and look at some of these prices. Now, these are sets. Look, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000. People buy these things. So that's not going to help us because we're finding single cartridges out there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on your left bar, and right here you can see the price range. And I'm just going to drag the price range down to, let's say, $100. Okay, and up pops our results for up to $100 sold listings. So as we can see here, you do find some sets, and those will sell really quick. But notice when they sell sets like this, it's $99, but look at the shipping. They've got $70 worth of shipping on this. And sometimes people play games, $100 for this set, but $66 in delivery and so on. But let's just go down here and get an idea. I want you to see individual cartridges here. Yellow, $99 plus delivery. There's another yellow, $99 plus delivery. Go on down. And these are out there, guys. I've sold several of these cartridges. Check this out. And just keep rolling down through here. There's lots of them. $95. Oh, that's a 2-pack. Let's keep going. And we're going to jump a bunch of pages here. There's just pages after page of these solds. So let's jump down like 8 pages and see what we have. We've jumped down 8 pages and we're still at $100 plus delivery. And it really depends on the number that you have. You can see the 414A is a good number. That's a really good toner cartridge to find. Going on down, let's jump down some more pages. And I'm just giving you the idea or that you can see that there's a lot of these out there. I mean, you can find these yard sales and so on. I just picked this one up at a Goodwill that I just showed you. $100. So toner cartridges on brand names, not the remanufactured or the copycat brands, but brand names. They really bring really good money. So now let's go check the one that I have in particular. I'm going to go back up to my search, HP toner cartridge, and what I have is a 201X, and it's in magenta in color. Now let's see what we have. Now again, these are solds. You can see right here, 201X, $63 plus 16 delivery. That's a 2-pack. Now, another thing that I want you to be aware of, on toner cartridges, black is the one to really watch out for because everyone goes through their black. Colors will sell too, and you're going to see this. This was a really good buy that I just made. So I'm back down here, and you can see $69.99 with free delivery, $70 free delivery, $60 plus delivery. Here's another one, $70 with free delivery. And these are all exactly what I have that I just picked up for for $3, guys. I'm going to turn $3 into $50, $60. So I've seen enough here. Right here is exactly what I have. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one. I'm going to price mine at, let's say $52. So I'm going to make mine $52. Arbitrary number. I'm just looking at what they're selling for. Um, and I know it's going to sell in that area. So what I do now is I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to click this listing right here. Click. Okay, now here it pops up and you can see this is it, $55 plus shipping, and I can look at the original listing. But right here on the right side, see this? Sell one like this. So I click that. So it's going to populate the listing for me. And now it's going to say complete your listing. So this is where I would drag and drop my files and finish everything on the listing. Here's the information, the HP, and I'm just going down through here and looking to see um, if everything looks good to me. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you this for inventory purposes. Right here, see custom label, your custom label SKU. So I'm going to type in here. I'm looking right now at my bins up here, and I'm going to put this in, let's see, let's go in A7. So it's A7. And now this came from a thrift store. So it's A7's the bin, TS for a thrift store. And I paid $3 for it. And again, it's plus the tax. So it's about $3.18. So by looking at the SKU on this listing, I can see where I have it located in my inventory, where it came from, and how much I paid. So I'm going to keep on going down, and everything through here looks good. Magenta, it's for HP. I'm just going through and just perusing the listing and seeing. Okay, now here's where it says write a detailed description of your item or save time and let AI draft it for you. So I could click right here and use AI to draft a description. But what I have personally found is I have to do too much editing with the AI. So what I like to do is I like to go back up here to the top. I'm going to scroll back up to the top to my title. And I'm just going to highlight, then right click and copy my title. Now I'm going to go back down to that description Now, there's gonna be a lot of people say, "Don't do it that way." That's fine. Do it however you want. I'm just telling you this works well for me. So here I am back down to my description, and I click, left click, and then I right click, and then I paste it. Now there's my title in as my description. So let's scroll on down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear down here at the bottom, and I'm going to hit save for later. Okay, so now why am I doing this? Because this is going to save this listing as a draft. So now what I can do is I can go over to my phone and I will open my eBay app, and then I'll go to my account and I will go to my drafts and I'll hit the continue and I'll finish the listing on my phone. Now, why do I do that? Because I can take pictures with my phone without importing them into my computer or doing anything like that. I can just snap, snap, snap with my phone and I'm done. So I'm going to click right here, save for later. Okay, so that is now saved in my drafts. Now I'm going to jump over to my phone and we will finish this up. Okay, so let's get going on this on the phone. And we're just snapping the pictures. I went to my drafts and pulled it up. We're just getting pictures ready. There's first snap, line it up, got the front. Now we'll get the back. And now both ends, we'll get this end. Then we'll flip it around, get the other end, get a close up. Same thing here on the front, get a close up. Okay. So now the photos are popped up. It populates automatically, main photo and the others. That's fine. It's all it takes. Okay. So we're going down through and we're just looking through the different categories and so on. Now my store category, it listed under tools. I want to change that to office. That's my own store category. Now we'll go down through and you see condition. You have to select the condition. This is new, sealed. And you just click the little pen icon beside the description or title or whatever to change it. There's our description. This is where we put the pricing in. This is where we will put the shipping in. Show you all of this, showing international. And my preferences. A lot of people ask about the preferences. My payment methods by eBay, my return policy, everyone asks about. Buyer pays return shipping. That's important. You want to make sure that the buyer's paying the return. And also the returns through eBay International. eBay manages that on your behalf. Love International. Going down through, this is where they push you to promote your listings. I don't do that. Just takes out of your profit. And then down here's where we'll list the item. So we're back up here and on our price already said we want to make this $52. Okay. And then on our package, we checked that and it was calculated ground advantage is correct. That's what we want. And then on the package details, it actually came out to 1 pound and 14 ounces. Package dimensions actually came out to 15. And then it was 5. And then the height was 4. Just going to put it in a poly bag when we sell it. Everything looks good. We go down through. It's like that. And we click list item. And the listing is live. That's all there is. So just like that, guys, we're up and we're listed. You can see that toner can be a really good BOLO item. Just do your research and find out which ones to watch for. HP's always done real well for me, so I always watch for that. And again, always make sure the boxes are sealed. If it's been opened, it's an issue, it's a problem. Don't even mess with it. It's not worth your time. Hey guys, I had to break in here for just a moment. While I was making this video for you, while I was making it, I just listed the item, my phone went off, and it said it's sold. So let me show you here, and you'll see down here that it is sold. And up here, you will see the start time. I just started it. I just did the video and listed it for you, and it sold for $52 plus the shipping. So, guys, this works. This is a BOLO, and they sell quick. Let's get back to the video. So keep an eye open for that toner. It will do wonders for you. I mean, it sells quick and it sells for a lot. So I just turned $3 into a $50 sale. So anyway, I hope that all helped. And bolos are out there for all different categories, and you just need to keep your eye open for them. So we've got another eBay um, video in showing a listing, showing a bolo. Um, I do a lot of different side hustles, and my channel has just passed 19,000 subscribers, which is amazing to me. I feel truly blessed, and I thank each and every one of you that have subscribed. What I have learned, I've learned a lot about YouTube, and I can help people with starting a YouTube channel. And I'm going to do some of that because trust me, it will help you tons, absolute tons in your side hustle business. There's so many different aspects that you can earn money because of having an audience. And a YouTube channel is the perfect way to have an audience. Um, you'll see what I mean as I'm explaining more of these things. Watch for these different videos to come. I've got lots of plans for it. Retired with Purpose is not going anywhere. I like this channel because I can show you a lot of different side hustles, and that's not going to change. YouTube is going to be one more side hustle that I'm going to share with you. And trust me, it can definitely boost your income. There's no doubt about it. So I hope this video helped you guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that I do have a membership program where we can dive deeper into the different side hustles that you're interested in. But keep an eye open for what's coming about the YouTube side hustle, guys. Like and subscribe. Guys, I'll see you on my next video.